storm has finally faded, left it quiet in its way. All the words we left unspoken start to rise and resonate. Now I'm standing in the stillness where the wreckage used to be, and in the space you left behind, I feel a softer part of me. I've been learning how to breathe again in a world that doesn't feel the same. After the silence, I can hear my heart beat steady for the first time in a while. There's a softness in the quiet that I never thought I'd find again. After the silence, I'm not who I was before I fell, but I'm stronger than the pieces of it all, and I'm finally finding light again after the silence. Oh, I trace the cracks along the walls. Every fracture tells the truth. I was trying to hold my world together, even though I was breaking inside. But now the calm is settling, like a blanket on my skin. And in the quiet of this moment, I feel something new begin. I'm still learning how to trust myself, but I'm standing on my own. After the silence, I can hear my own voice calling from a place I thought was gone. There's a warmth inside the quiet where the hurt can linger on. I'm not who I was before I fell, but I'm learning I don't need to be, and I'm finally stepping into light again after the silence. Maybe healing isn't sudden, maybe peace is slow to rise, maybe strength is just the courage to sit with what survived. But in the hush that fills this room, in the calm that meets my eyes, I feel the world returning, one small breath at a time. After the silence, I can hear my own voice calling from a place I thought was gone. There's a warmth inside the quiet where the hurt can linger on. I'm not who I was before I fell, but I'm learning I don't need to be, and I'm finally stepping into light again after the silence. it's starting to feel like mine.